Alright, in the last video we learned about to convert from binary to decimal, or anyway from decimal to binary. So it was a bit easy peasy, right? So today we're gonna learn about to change to execute, right? To execute from decimal to hexadecimal, or conversely, if we have time, we can change from hexadecimal to decimal. Okay, I think it's gonna be also all right. I think it's gonna be okay. Okay, don't worry too much. Let's do that together. Okay, so let me record again. The things we learned before, the things we remember before. Okay, so in decimal, we're gonna have 10 digits from 0 to 9. So we're gonna start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're gonna end with 9, right? We end with 9. So these are decimal. Alright. So I changed something from hazard value to decimal value. Okay, here. Okay, before we start there, we trying to remember again for hexadecimal. So hexadecimal also start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Mathematically, we're gonna end up with 9. For the hexadecimal, we don't have 10. So instead of 10, we're gonna write with instead of 10, we're gonna write with A. For 11, we're gonna write B. For 12, C. For 13, D. For 14, E, right? For 15, F. So these are hexadecimal, right? All right. Okay, so let me try to change hexadecimal to decimal. So here I show an example. This is the conversion from hexadecimal to decimal. So this is hexadecimal. I think you're already familiar with this code. This is called hexadecimal code. In color codes, we use these numbers, right? Digits and characters are combined together. They are mixed it. So here 3 is the digit, F is character, right? So this is hash code. Anyway, we can call hash code, not RGB code, right? This can be changed to hexadecimal value. So when we change this to decimal value, the resulting value is 4139869, right? So how does it get that value? Okay, let me check it out. So let me spread that number. Yeah, let me spread this to be clear, right? For each number, let me spread. Let me separate. Okay, that's gonna be D. So for hexadecimal, we have to change to decimal. That's why it is basically working on 16 bits, right? Bit 16. So we're gonna start from left to right position. So we're gonna start from D, right? So we're gonna start from D. So 16 power 5, 16 power 4, 16 power 3, 16 power square, 16 power 1. It's gonna be 16 power 0, right? Yeah, this is all we can do. Let me a bit make it. Yeah, to be clear, to clarify. Okay, now they're at the right positions. Okay, so for D, we had to multiply with 16 power 0. Okay, let me start from left to right. Okay, so D multiplies 16 power 0, right? 16 power 0. So what is the value of D? the value of this from starting from 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, and 15. So the value of D is 13, right? So in the place of D, we're gonna replace with 13. So 16 power 0 is 1, right? Equal to 1 is gonna be 13. This is for D. So we will do for 5. So 5 multiplying by 16 power 1 or 16. So 5 is gonna be 5 multiplying by 16 is gonna be 80, right? We can calculate right now. And for B value is 11, right? B, so B multiplying 6 by 16 square, right? So B value is what is the value of B? B value is 11 multiplying by 16 square value. The value of 16 square is 256, right? Okay, now let we multiply this in the calculator. Yeah, what's the value? Oh, no, he does not know. Yeah, 2186. We got 2816. All right. So how about for 2? And 2 multiplying 16 power 3, 16 2. Okay, 2 multiplying. So before we multiply by 16 power 3, we're gonna have to check for this 16 power 3 value. So 256, we had to multiply 256 and multiply by 16 again, right? This is the value of 16 power 2. 16 2 is 4096. Okay, we got that 4096. And then we will keep multiplying by 2. Multiplying by 4096, we will keep multiplying by 2, right? All right, so it's gonna be, the value is A192. So here 8192. So the fifth one is F multiplying by 16 power 4, right? 16 power 4. The value of F is 15, right? So 15 multiplying. So we have to check it out for 16 power 4. So the value of 16 power 4 is 256 2 times, right? So 256 2 times, 256 2 times. So it's gonna be 5 6 3 5, and then we had to multiply by 15, the value of F. So we get this value, right? We get that one. Here we fit that one. So here, before we fit it, so this gonna be, what is this value is 65536. Okay, all right. So for the last one 3 multiplied by 16 to the power 5. So 3 multiplying, so we had to multiply this with 16 again. Yeah, we got this, and then we got this value. This value has to be multiplied again by multiplying by 3, right? So 3, so we're gonna multiply by 3. So finally we get this value, right? So we get this value. Okay, so we have to sum every single resultant value, right? So the first one is 13 plus 80 plus 2816 plus 8192 plus 983040 plus 3145728. So let me sum this value, all this value. Okay, so finally we get this value, the total value. So we got this number, right? Okay, all right, so let me check these numbers and here they already get value 4139,869. Here also 4139,869. So that's why it's not too hard, but computer understand with a binary code. But here we change from hexadecimal to decimal. We calculate throughout the process using system bits or anyway bit system. So in the next video, I will learn about decimal to hexadecimal or hexadecimal to binary or binary to hexadecimal. Yeah. So in this video, that's enough. Okay, thanks for watching.